How to post stories on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch your Snapchat application first and get logged into your Snapchat account. From here, tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. Now, in order to add a story, under My Stories, you will see Add to My Story. You have to tap on this option. As you do so, it will open up your gallery section. From here, choose any story that you would like to add. And once you're done selecting the picture, you will see My Story option. Tap onto it. And now, once the loading gets completed, this is how you will be able to add story. If you tap onto it, you can see that this is now for 0 views. If anybody sees your story, you will be able to see their name right at this page. And just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.